Hey guys, welcome to Forex 101, Fundamentals of Trading. Just want to help you get started with setting up your broker account. I'm going to also share the link to different broker accounts that you can get set up with to start trading. So we're going to go to LMFX. This is what banks do. This is what the rich do and wealthy do. They trade. And so when we're able to have access to information that can really significantly change our financial landscape and leave a legacy for our children's children, I'm paying attention, okay? So, because I'm not trying to work harder, I'm trying to work smarter. So, with that being said, I went to LMFX, and what I found out was you can open a account with as little as $50 US. Guys, nowhere you're able to trade with just $50. Like, that's crazy. That's a minimum deposit. I remember when I asked my financial advisor at the bank that I used to work at, mind you, I was in banking for many years, and I always wanted to invest. And I asked my financial advisor, my coworker, like, listen, employee to employee, how can I get in on the trade game? I want to invest and I want to, increase my money. He looked at me and was like, Marty, you need at least $25,000 play money to start trading. And I looked at him and I'm like, seriously, I have play money. It's called Monopoly. I don't have $25,000 sitting around just to lose it. Like, the average person doesn't have that. I'm trying to get to $25,000, And I got discouraged. And then, I went home and I did some research. I'm like, there's got to be a way for us to be able to get in on the, trading and investing without having to fork up $25,000. Like, for me, that was a monopoly. You monopolizing the market. You're not letting everyday people get in unless you purchase a stock for like $20. And after so many years, it goes up. Hey, at least you hope so, because if the company goes down, then forget it. Your $20 stock might go down to $5 and you lost money. So, you got to learn how to invest yourself. Don't leave your money in the hands of someone else. Don't leave your future in the hand of someone else. You have to take charge, over your own financial picture. And then when you have money to play with, like $25,000, then go ahead and invest that and let somebody else play with that while you're doing something else. Because it's all about multiple streams of income. Don't limit yourself to just one, right? So here we have, you can open an account with a wire transfer, but the minimum for that would be $250. And it tells you what the deposit time is. So you'd have to wait 2 to 7 working days. So when you are enrolled brand new to IML as a customer, we want you to set up your live trading account right away, because it takes time to send your credentials in, your proof of identity, your proof of address, and to fund your account properly. So with a wire transfer, that you have a Visa, MasterCard, you can also start your account with, fund it, and it's $50 US. Like, whoa, that's powerful. And I'll tell you why it's powerful in a minute. And then you have up to 30 minutes of that transaction. So that'll be done within 30 minutes, which is great. So today is Saturday. The markets are closed today for trading, but they open on Sunday at 6 p.m. So on Sunday at 6 p.m., if you've gone ahead on Friday, let's say, and you've already set up your account, earlier that week, and you funded it on Friday, and you did it with a Visa or MasterCard, your account is ready to trade. You are ready to go live. And so when the market opens up on Sunday, boom, you can set your trade and you can start trading in the largest, most liquid financial market in the world. $5.3 trillion are traded in the Forex market every day, guys. You have to pay attention and wake up, because this information has not been privy to us up until recently, guys. Mind you, I was working in the bank. I had the inside information, and I still didn't have access to a broker account where I can trade and learn. So what I'm doing is teaching people how to fish in the Forex market. Powerful. Okay, so We're going to open a live account, remember, because we want to have everything set up. You're going to open a demo account to play with, you know, and we recommend doing paper trading, as they call it, demoing for about 30 to 45, 60 days, 90 days. I don't care how long it takes you guys. If it took me a year or even 2 years to learn how to make $100,000 on a monthly basis, to me, that's worth it. Once you open a live account, register for LMFX Connect, put your name, your phone number, your country. All right, so you go ahead, register now, register, boom. They're gonna send you an email with your login information to LMFX. So once you get the email, then you come back to this website and now you're going to log in. You're gonna log in with the credentials they sent you in the email. That's not your trading account. That's just giving you a back office access to your broker account, because this is now a broker for you. This is like opening a bank account. You go to the bank and you give them your information and they open a bank account for you. When you log in, it's going to allow you to open trading accounts, open live account, and it'll leave you here. So you're going to pick from 3 account types. So the premium account, the trade size start at 0.01 lots. And this is something that you learn in IML Academy, guys. It's so important that you go to IML Academy, and you go through all these videos here. Basic 1, basic 2, basic 3, basic 4. So important. And just take lots of notes, pause it, rewind, watch it over and over and over until it sticks. Eventually it's gonna stick. Faith comes by hearing and hearing and hearing and hearing, right? Okay, so let me go back to LMFX. So here, premium account, advanced trading platforms. They have the MetaTrader, WebTrader, and Mobile Trader that I told you about. The Web Trader is this here. You're able to trade right from your browser. I don't have to download this onto my laptop and take up space. You can log into your trade account online and still trade or check on your trades that you've entered into. So that's the power of the Web Trader. Flexible bonus offerings, personal account manager, competitive spreads. So you scroll down here, the spreads are anywhere from 1. The spreads are from 1. There's no commission per lot, which is what I like. They don't charge you commission. The leverage is high, 1 to 1,000. So leverage, let me talk about leverage. I took some notes, like I really wanted to understand this leverage stuff, right? So basically Christopher Terry had a video about leverage. He broke it down where it made sense. So let's say in real estate, right? You have a $100,000 home that you're purchasing. And if your leverage is 1 to 200, that means that your deposit, your down payment to purchase that home only needs to be $500. Say what? Less than 1%. You only need half of 1%. What house do you know of, or what system do you know of that will allow you to put half of a percentage of the total amount to purchase something? That's crazy. If I could buy a house with $500 down payment, don't you think I would do that? Yes, yes, or yes. And you would do the same thing, right? Leverage is key. So this is how people are turning their $50 account into $5,000, $50 account into $100,000. It's powerful, guys. And the key is to learn it. Opening deposit is only $50 because you have such a high leverage. That's how you can open a $50 account, because of the leverage. So you can trade Forex, gold, silver, and oil. Powerful. Indices, commodities, share CFDs. You have access to the MetaTrader. I already said that. And your stop out percentage is 20%. So basically, they don't allow you to lose more than 20% of your account. The fixed account, no commissions per lot. The spreads are fixed. So that means the spreads don't change. They are what they are. They don't go up. They don't go down. That's it. Leverage is 1 to 400. So that's the max that they allow you. And the minimum opening deposit is $250. Your reload is $50. So you got a higher deposit on this one and a lower leverage, but they have fixed rates and they don't charge commission. So you kind of got to weigh your options. You can, open each of them to see which one you like better. And they have 15% stop loss. Okay. And then we have, last but not least, a zero account. Now the zero account is raw spreads, no markups, competitive commissions, low minimum deposit of $100, and it's good for scalping and high volume trading. So if you're scalping, like I can be a scalper sometimes, I'll jump in and out of a trade in minutes. They're zero spreads. So there's no spread between the buyer and the seller. Amazing. But they do charge you commission on this one. And your leverage is 1 to 250, which is still good, guys. Your opening deposit has to be more because your leverage is lower. And your reload deposit is 50. All right, so I opened a premium because I like the higher leverage and I want to see some significant growth. Let me log in. Once you set up your trading account, they're going to send you an email with your MetaTrader login information for your actual account, your trade account. So I got an email and they gave me my account. Once you create your live account, you need to send in your credentials. This is how you fund your account. And you can withdraw your funds at any time. There's no limit on your withdrawals. See that? No limit. If you earn $10,000 in your trading account, you can withdraw your money at any time. It's your money. You can have as many broker accounts as you want. You can have a broker account for your vacation. You can have a broker account for your house, down payment for your house. You can have a broker account for retirement. You know what I'm saying? Whatever, you're multiplying your money instead of leaving your money in a bank where you're earning you ain't earning 2%. You're earning less than 1% on your bank account. Okay, so you come up here, click on your name and go to profile. You are going to upload your documents. So here, took a picture of my license, so simple. I emailed it to myself, I downloaded it to my computer, and I uploaded it to here. And then you have to do a proof of address, a POA. You can either use a recent electric bill, gas bill, phone bill. All right, boom. So once you've sent in your credentials, then you can go ahead and fund your account. All right, so thank you guys for being on. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you at the top.